The graph of y equals to 2x square positive bx positive c is shown, where b and c are constants. What is the value of b times c? Okay, to get the value of b times c, we have to get the values of the constants b and c in the given quadratic function over here. Okay, we can use Desmos to solve this problem. Since the quadratic function we have over here contains two unknown constants b and c, we need 2 points on the graph of this quadratic function. So we can consider this point and this point. Okay, this point is the x coordinate -2 and the y coordinate is -6. And for this point, the x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is -6. Okay, now let me take these 2 points in Desmos. Go to table. Okay, the first point is -2 comma -6, and the second point is 0 comma -6. Okay, now to get the values of the constants b and c, I have to take this quadratic function as input in Desmos. And here my aim is not to get the graph of this function. My aim is to get the values of the unknown constants we have in this function. In that case, when I take this function as input in Desmos, for y I have to use y1, and for x I have to use x1, and for this equal sign I have to use tilde sign. Okay, now let me take this equation in Desmos. For y, let me take y1, and for equal sign we have to use a tilde sign. Then 2 times x1 square, let me square this x1, then positive b times x1 positive c. Okay, here I got the values of the two unknown constants b and c, that is b equals to 4 and c equals to -6. And my aim is to get the value of b times c. Okay, let me take b times c. Okay, here I got the value of b times c, that is -24.